I heard you Zoom.
Are you knitting me my socks?
You need to give the kitty some catnip and then film him.
I need to film me and you making a porno.
You wish.
I see a fat cat over there. What are you doing, little fatty? What you looking at, fat ass? That's our ghetto heater. That's how we stay warm. Because we're ghetto and hood like that. Right now she's knitting me a quilt. And then after that she's going to knit me some socks. And then
Yeah, right.
we're going to put her back in the kitchen where she belongs. Ain't that right, Danita?
You wish.
What's this fat ass doing now? I'm gonna get a little close up here, see what he says. See what he does to me. Mr. Kitty. You just chilling there? Look, he's just chilling. Little fat ass.